welcome back to my channel, and today my mom is going to do my manicure. It's manicure day. This is my first time having a manicure, so let's get started. Hygiene is very important, so my mom is going to sanitize these tools. Mom, are they sanitized?
Sanitizer. This is sanitizer. And these tools.
Mom, what is this?
Hand soap. 2 or 3 drops.
This is hand soap. You need 2 or 3 drops.
Soak your hands in it.
Now I have to soak my hands. For how long?
5 minutes.
5 minutes. Now it has been 10 minutes. Now my mom will dry my hands one by one. You might be thinking, why didn't I clip my nails before? Because my nails weren't too big, so I didn't need to.
And started from
And then I started from soaking. Mom, what is this?
it's a cuticle pusher.
This is a cuticle pusher. So my mom now pushed my cuticles. Now she is using this tool to remove my dead skin on nails. Mom, what is this what you are using right now?
Cuticle cutter.
This is a cuticle cutter.
It's not painful, Rana.
It is very painful.
Okay, just leave it.
We don't need to do that.
Just buff them.
Now we have to buff them. Before the buff, what are you using now, Mom?
Buff cream.
Now first she is gonna use buff cream, then she will buff my nails. Now she is going to buff my nails. Now she is buffing my nails. What is the next step, Mom?
It's a cream for cuticle massage.
This is a cream for cuticle massage. You might be wondering, why does my mom have all these tools? Because she is a professional beautician and nail technician. So that's why she has all these tools. I didn't even know.
cuticle massage is done.
Now the cuticle massage is done. Mom, what is this?
Hand massage cream.
This is hand massage cream. This is relaxing. And my mom studied from Central College of Glasgow. She studied
Beauty.
beauty. I don't know, but she studied beauty. This is very relaxing. I'm going to sleep here. The massage is done. What is this, mom?
Hand mask.
Now my mom is going to put on hand mask.
यहाँ रखो. Here.
This is weird. Mom, for how long I need to keep this mask on?
10 minutes.
Okay, 10 minutes. Spread karo. Now my mom is going to clean my nails for nail polish. Now my nails are clean.
Pass me bag.
Now I will pick a nail polish color. I chose this one. Now, what is this, mom?
Base coat.
This is base coat. My nails are looking so glossy. Done. Now it is dried. Now it's time for nail polish.
Start from the pinky.
We'll start from the pinky finger.
Two tiny nails. You clean them.
Now my nails are done. Mom, what is this?
Top coat. One by one.
So guys, they already look very beautiful. After this, my mom is going to decorate them with some gems. My nails are done. Now my mom is going to decorate my nails with some gems. I chose pink and golden gems. When the gems are done, I will show you the final look. This is the final look. My nails look so beautiful. I hope you enjoyed this video and liked my nails. Remember to subscribe to my channel and like this video. Thank you so much, Mom.
Welcome.
Bye.